up, you YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy KV, man. Look, today, you guys, I got my boy Zoe with me. Now, y'all know this ain't no refrigerator, right? It could be a refrigerator.
I thought it was.
Huh?
I thought it was.
Could be a refrigerator. Because you know, Extreme Online Store, you know, they got what you need. But this is the Gt500 front bumper. So as you guys know, we are doing a Gt500 conversion on a 2016 Mustang
Ecoboost.
So with that being said, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And look, make sure you go to my boy ZOTVDOTTV. The links are gonna be in the description down below. Let's get into this unboxing because I know you guys are ready to see it.
I can see the jealousy, ain't no infidelity. I'm a king with dreams.
All right, you guys, so this is the Gt500 conversion. So if you guys want this part, man, make sure you guys go to Extreme Online Store to get this conversion. So the conversion came with the front grille, the side skirts, and the spoiler in the back. Okay, so this is how it looks, as you guys probably seen in the previous video on how it looked at first before you actually did the Extreme Online Store Gt500 conversion. Well, as you guys can see, the fitment is good. So if you guys do want this, it will come unpainted. You will have to paint it, or you can wrap it. But this particular Mustang is going to be wrapped in chrome black with forged carbon fiber. As you can check below, it looks good, looks aggressive. It actually wakens up this Mustang a little bit more. You guys, so with this being said, this is a Mach 1 grill. You don't have to get this, but you know, he wanted something different. It looks good. If you guys want something like this, you can also get this on Extreme Online Store. Everything is going to be in the link in the description below, so that way you guys know exactly what to get. You don't get the wrong thing. So if you want exactly this, check the description down below and you can get this kit. All right, you guys, if you do get this conversion, keep in mind, if you got your factory bumper, keep your turn signals, because you will have to exchange it to the new bumper. Okay, you will have to exchange it to the new bumper. If you got turn signals, keep them. As you guys can see, the fitment of the splitter, this thing lines up perfectly. It looks good, it looks amazing. He's going to wrap this as well in forged carbon fiber. See this in the other video, but I'm going to show you again. This spoiler right here also came from Extreme Online Store. I like this spoiler. You get a lot of compliments on this spoiler right here. So hey, you guys, make sure you go to Extreme Online Store, man. I like it. It looks good. You plan on wrapping this?
Debatable.
Debatable?
It's debatable.
Okay. But that's how it looks, you guys. I ain't gonna lie, it gave his Mustang a whole new look, especially with the butterfly doors. All right, you guys, so with that being said, man, look, like I said, if you want this Gt500 conversion kit, you already know what to do. Go to extremeonlinestore.com. Link is going to be in the description down below, you guys. You got anything to say, boss?
Also, the shipping is very fast as well, okay?
Oh, yeah.
100%.
That's facts. I'm going to be honest with you. That's true fact.
Go to Extreme, bro.
Go to Extreme. Go to Extreme. We're going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.